Hey guys, happy Monday! So today we are going to continue our fast food video series. So today we are going to Carl's Jr.
Carl's Jr.
To say I'm excited is an understatement because personally, I love Carl's Jr. So we already looked at the menu and the calories beforehand because remember, if you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail, right?
That's right. And also a little tip today. So I know the whole point of this series is so you guys can know where to eat. But the best thing to do is always just plan ahead, like she said, and bring a protein shake or a protein bar with you because going out to eat, it's pretty expensive. Like I bet you today we're going to spend probably close to $20 for me and her. And, you know, you could literally bring your own protein shake from home that costs like $1 to $2. So like every time you go out to eat, you know, you're spending like 10 times more than you need to.
Right. So when we were looking at the menu, we were looking specifically for low calorie and high protein options. So remember the 10-100 rule. For every 100 calories, it should have about 10 grams of protein. Or roundabout. If there's more, even better.
And today, we got pretty close to that today, but Carl's Jr. is a little tougher.
It is tough.
Yeah, but you know, we figured it out and you guys will see what we are going to order.
We love a challenge, and we'll see you at Carl's.
Okay, so we got the, what we got here, we got the sandwich. We got the barbecue chicken sandwich. Now this thing has 440 calories and about 33 grams of protein. Here's how it looks. So it looks like it's just lettuce, grilled chicken breast, and toast. So let me try this out. That is pretty good. Okay. So eating this, I could already tell this is definitely chicken breast. So it's like, it's not chicken thigh. It's still juicy, which is actually really good because most chicken breast is not juicy. This is pretty juicy, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna give this like a 7 out of 10. I think though it does deserve, it needs some hot sauce. So if you have hot sauce, I would definitely add some hot sauce to this. All right, next one. So we got the chicken tenders here. Now, this might be a surprise to you, but this is probably the best calorie to protein ratio thing they have here. So I know for a 5 count, right? Here's the 5 count one. The 5 count has about 440 calories with 44 grams of protein. So that right there fits the 110 rule exactly, right? 440 calories, 44 grams of protein, so it is perfect for our little rule. So let's try these out here. And I'm gonna give you guys my honest rating. Oh yeah, look at that. That's like steamy hot right there. Okay. Okay. These are really good. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Wow, I will order this again. And that's without sauce. So remember, if you guys add sauce, right, it is extra calories. You do have to account for that. I personally do not think that this needs sauce at all. The sandwich though, I think it could definitely use some hot sauce. So that's Carl's Jr. for you guys, right? The barbecue chicken sandwich. It's about 440 calories, about 30 grams of protein. And then we got the 5-piece chicken tenders, which is also about 440 calories with 44 grams of protein. So this right here is the best choice. I know you're thinking, oh my God, it's deep fried, blah, blah, blah. But for the protein it provides and the calories, it is the best one here. And you know, some of you guys will order other things like the spicy chicken sandwich. So we actually looked at the spicy chicken sandwich and that one shocked us. I think that one's over 500 calories with only like 14 or 15 grams of protein. So that's actually like very, very little protein for a chicken sandwich. So that's carb for you guys. We'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.